Hey everyone, welcome back to HADAF Skills. Today, I'm going to show you how to back up WhatsApp messages the right way, whether you're using regular WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business. Backing up your chats means you won't lose any important messages, photos, or videos, and you'll be able to restore everything later if you ever switch phones or reinstall the app. Alright, let's jump straight into it. Open your WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business app. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Tap on Chats. Scroll down and hit Chat Backup. Now tap the big Backup button and wait a few seconds. Next, you'll need to connect your Google account. This is where your WhatsApp chat backup will be saved. Choose the Gmail account you want to use. Wait a bit while it links your WhatsApp with your Google account, then tap Allow to give the permission. Boom! Now your account is ready to create a WhatsApp backup to your Google Drive. But don't stop there. Go to Automatic Backups and make sure it's not set to Off. I recommend choosing daily or weekly, depending on how often you use WhatsApp. After that, hit Backup again to start the process. Now just sit tight while it uploads your WhatsApp chat backup. The time it takes depends on your internet speed and how big your backup is. And that's it. You've officially enabled WhatsApp backup to Google Drive. If you ever need to restore your messages later, I've got a full tutorial on how to restore WhatsApp chat backup right here. Make sure to check it out. If this video helped you, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Catch you in the next one. Peace.